how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to delete blocked contact on WhatsApp. So if you want to delete a blocked contact from your WhatsApp, if you go to your contact and try deleting the number from there, it's gonna be removed from the contact list, but it's gonna be remained on the blocked list. In order to delete the blocked contacts, open up a WhatsApp, tap the try bar or the three dot icon, go to settings, here go to privacy, and after that scroll down a bit, go to block contact. So unless and until if you don't unblock the following users, the particular users won't be deleted from the block contact. So the only way is to unblock them and they'll be removed from your blocked list, as well as they'll be removed from your contact list as well. However, they'll be able to send you message, update and whatsoever. So that's how you can delete block contact on WhatsApp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.